What's up everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dylan. So I just got some amazing news that there's a brand new car insurance company that is paying Uber and Lyft drivers to sign up. I know it sounds crazy, but they're literally giving Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, food delivery drivers $5 just to sign up, and they're a rideshare insurance company. This is actually the first rideshare insurance company that I have seen. So I'm gonna have a link down below. You have to use my special referral link. That's how it works. I'm assuming this is a temporary offer, and shout out to Buckle if you've heard about them, or Buckle if you're watching. Thank you. I haven't spoken with you guys, but I've heard great things, and so I signed up for their program to start referring people to sign up for this. I did my research. I looked them up on Crunchbase. They they seem pretty awesome, pretty legit, and I've seen some other YouTubers talk about them as well. So sign up for Buckle down below, and this I want to share with you guys. So it's only available in select areas. So you can be anywhere in the United States to get the free $5, which I think is pretty cool. It's like, why not get $5? So get $5. That's anywhere in the country. And when you sign up for that, you get, these are what the members get. You get a free and discounted benefits from trusted partners and major retailers to help you save more on common expenses. Get exclusive advice from industry experts to help you earn more from your gig driving. You get access to industry-leading gig auto insurance with all period coverage, lower deductibles, and no credit check. Cha-ching! You got a 200 credit score? You're good. You got 400 credit score? You're good. You got credit card debt up the wazoo, and you know are in delinquency and collections from every single person. You got people knocking on your door, and you hide behind your couch because you don't want to pay your bills. Don't worry about it. They do no credit checks. I think that's just funny. It's like, no credit check. I'm like, well, probably should be checking some people's credit. Okay, I know who you are out there. And then also they have live support from other humans, not robots, and wait for it, and more. I wonder what else is more. No, I'm just kidding. These guys seem pretty awesome, but that's their basic membership, and that, again, that's available nationwide, and that's the membership that you're giving $5 to sign up. You and I will both get $5 if you sign up. And the other side of it is that they have the rideshare, let's see, the rideshare, or you can sign up to get a free Buckle quote. So I guess that is rideshare insurance that they offer. That's their rideshare insurance package. I'm sure they're trying to expand to other areas, but this is the areas they're active in. And you'll get $20 for getting a free quote, which is nuts. Again, you get $20 just for going in and getting a free quote. I don't think they're gonna make you sign up after the free quote. It's just a free quote, $20. But this is awesome because it's the first rideshare insurance company. But you have to be in Pennsylvania, Florida, Texas, Georgia, Tennessee, Delaware, Illinois, Nevada, or Maryland. So it's only in 9 states so far. Again, Pennsylvania, Florida, Texas, Georgia, Tennessee, Delaware, Illinois, Nevada, and Maryland. Couple things. Buckle membership is only available to gig workers, so that's cool. They're literally just focusing on gig workers, so that that's another reason why I like it. They're not, helping out my neighbor, Beatrice, who's, whatever, don't drive for gig workers. Like, they're just going after gig workers. And we've known there's a lot of gig workers out there. Gig workers make up a huge portion of our economy. Now, most of the people I talk to, most of my friends, sometimes we talk about Rideshare Hub, my YouTube channel, and they're like, oh yeah, I used to do DoorDash. I'm like, you used to do DoorDash? Like, most of my friends at one point or another have done DoorDash or Uber or whatever, or Instacart. Yeah, my friend, I was just eating sushi with my friend the other day. She's like, yeah, I used to make like $8 grand a month doing Instacart. And then they deactivated me. I was like, really? She's like, yeah, I moved to LA, literally using Instacart. She's like, I was living in San Francisco or whatever, and she's like, I wanted to move to LA, and I was making up on Instacart. I was like, that's pretty crazy. That like, I don't know. So anyways, you can, yeah. Oh, and then the payments for your $5 or $20 is made via virtual Visa gift cards, or Visa cards or PayPal. So if you have a PayPal, awesome. If you don't, they'll send you a Visa card and you can use that on like just wherever anybody accepts Visa, which is literally most places now. So anyways, guys, check out Buckle down below using my link to get either your $5 or $20, or just check them out, you know. You don't need to do this, obviously, but it's, yeah, car insurance for people who drive rideshare and food delivery. They work with Uber drivers, Instacart shoppers, Lyft drivers, GoPuff drivers, Grubhub drivers, Favor drivers. I don't know Favor. DoorDash, Uber Eats, Amazon Flex. That's crazy. Yeah, it says immediate proof of insurance. Sign up today and you will be covered immediately. We'll even help you cancel your old policy so you don't have to worry about wasting money. This honestly sounds amazing. Oh, they were in the Rideshare Guy. I wonder why they never reached out to me, the Rideshare Hub. No, I'm just kidding. The Rideshare Guy is way more legit than I am. And also I took like 2 years off of posting videos. But anyways, guys, that's the update. Thanks for watching. Take care. And yeah, let me know if you do sign up. And if you do get your $5, let's make sure they're paying out $5 to everyone. All right, bye now.